welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on democracy in India. India is the world's largest democracy with a vibrant and diverse political system. Citizens have the right to vote. Elections are held regularly. Democracy is based on equality and justice. The president is the ceremonial head of the state. The Prime Minister leads the government. The parliament consists of the Lok Sabha, House of the People, and the Rajya Sabha, Council of States. Democracy in India ensures that people have the freedom of speech and expression. Political parties play a crucial role representing various ideologies and interests. The judiciary safeguards constitutional values. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.